At kanina nga, Sandro, pinag-usapan natin yung pagdalo ng Rotary Club dito nga sa Senate hearings. Kapag kasi sinabi nating Rotary Club, usually ito yung mga nagbibigay ng charity donations.
Doon sila na-identify sa mga charities. So, para medyo surprising na ano kaya ang meron sa pagdalo nila sa...
Exactly. So, para malaman natin ang lahat ng tungkol dyan. At yung opinion na rin siguro ng Rotary Club nga dito sa nangyayaring PDAF scam, makakausap natin ngayong umaga si Ms. Mache Torres, ang Charter President ng Rotary Club of Makati Business District. Magandang umaga, Ms. Mache.
Yes, good morning.
Siguro, umpisahan natin, ma'am, no? Bakit nga ba kayo dumadalo dito sa hearings? Actually, from the very start daw ay nandoon kayo. Why is this so important for the Rotary Club?
Well, okay, actually I was interviewed as well, no, when we were there at the Senate. It's important to us because, number one, we are not just Rotary Club. We represent the citizens of this country.
Exactly.
Siyempre, as one of the citizens or as a group representing Rotary, being the citizens of this country, we are for peace. And, di ba, akala nga ng mga tao, ang Rotary puro lang med mission and all. Well, you were asking bakit kami nasa PDAF hearing. Because Rotary International, hindi po nalalaman ng karamihan yan, has 6 areas of focus. And our support for the truth and justice sa PDAF issues natin is under the peace and conflict resolution of Rotary. And like sinabi ko nga na earlier we were talking, no, na how can you give service and all, kasi kami Rotarian, service above self and all, but how can you give service to other people if there's no peace? So we start with peace, and I believe everything starts from peace.
Paano siya, ma'am, exactly under ng peace? Kasi pag sinabi nating peace and conflict resolution, parang yan yung sa Zamboanga, no? Yung insurgencies. How is this PDAF scam related, no, dito sa usaping ito?
Well, of course, number one, obviously alam nating walang pagkakasunduan ngayon. Lahat, we are all kumbaga, in a state of, nako, ano ba lang mangyayari sa bansa natin? Right? So, it means we don't have peace of mind. Lalo na, hindi lang tayo, even investors. Us being under the Rotary Club of Makati Business District, we represent a lot of our members, or most of our members, are business owners. So, we ourselves are very worried. Ano ba ang future ng bansa natin, no? And as taxpayers as well, saan nga ba napupunta yung binabayad natin? Now, pwedeng in connection din to sa isa pang area of focus namin, which is economic and community development. Which is konektado din yan sa ekonomiya natin.
Exactly.
So, peace and economics.
Ma'am, siguro we could give yung 6 areas of focus po. Ano po ba ito? At
Alright.
mga nakapailalim po dito
Sige.
sa areas of focus.
Like I mentioned already, the peace and conflict resolution, no? Then the economic and community development. Now, we have also child and maternal health programs, the water and sanitation programs. We have also the environmental concerns and the education and literacy concerns.
So, nakita natin, ang lawak pala talaga ng sakop ng mga gawain ng Rotary Club.
Rotary is holistic, no? It is to show that we are an international legitimate NGO doing service in a holistic manner.
Actually, talking about that, ma'am, ano nga ba yung tingin ninyong, or ano yung opinion ninyo sa nagiging epekto nito ngayon sa usapin ng mga legitimate NGOs, nitong PDAF scam?
Yeah, yun na nga eh. Parang nagkakaroon tuloy ng pangit na ibig sabihin ngayon ng mga NGOs, no? Whereas ang katotohanan, when you are a legitimate NGO, you're doing jobs for service, and you are a non-governmental organization doing things which is from your own initiative. No? And kami as Rotarians, we have our ways of doing, ito yung sa service namin, and our ways of getting funds. Of course, hindi ko naman ginajudge ang ibang NGOs, no? As long as napupunta sa tama, solicit funds and all, napupunta pa sa dapat puntahan yung sinusolicit, di ba? Well, as Rotary, we are an international organization in more than 200 clubs. We are around 20,000 clubs all over the world.
All right.
And we are obviously very organized and we are more than 100 years already.
Ma'am, siguro maganda rin dito maipakita natin yung difference sa paggamit nga ng funds. Kumbaga, yung funds po ninyo ay self-generated. Kumbaga, hindi po kayo humihingi and this is para out of the pockets of your members and you have fundraising activities as well for you to be able to spend.
Oo. Hindi naman sa hindi kami humihingi because there's such a thing as solicitations, no? But when we solicit, syempre kasama sa fundraisings yan.
Yes.
We make sure that the money goes to sa dapat puntahan. Right? And aside from that, as Rotarians, we have this saying na we are committed to be Rotarians wherein we use our 3 T's. No? What are the 3 T's? We share our time, talent, and treasure. And totoo yun, minsan galing pa sa sarili naming bulsa. Because we most of us are really self-made and successful individuals wherein we give back to the society already.
Actually, mo Sandro, napagkwentuhan natin to before, no? Yung nakakalungkot nga na pagsira sa imahe ng mga NGOs.
Napabrand in a negative aspect.
Usually nga, sila pa yung gumagastos for their own projects, sarili nilang pagod, sarili nilang brainstorming, even para sa mga proyektong ito. So siguro alamin naman natin, ma'am, saan nga ba naman ngayon napupunta yung mga nire-raise na funds ng Rotary Club? Ano yung mga proyekto ninyo or service-oriented na mga activities as a non-government organization?
Okay, thank you for that question. But I can specifically talk about my club. No? Our club itself is a newly formed club, actually, which is a baby club of the Rotary Club of Makati. So our newly formed club, which is called the Rotary Club of Makati Business District, okay, like nabanggit ko po kanina, aside from the PDAF Watch that we're doing, we also have done several med missions already, which is under the child and maternal health programs. No? Recently lang, which was 2 weeks ago, we went to the ITAS. No, we did the med mission for them and supplemental feeding programs. And water and sanitation, we do donate water pumps, yung mga barangay na walang malilinis na tubig. Sa economic and community development, well, konektado po yun dun sa sinasabi nating we want to make sure na may stable na ekonomiya ang bansa. At the same time, we are sponsoring the first Rotary CSR Awards Philippines.
Alright.
Wherein dito, we are gonna be recognizing the top CSR companies or top companies with best CSR practices. And this is to encourage companies to practice good CSR. No? Also, we have the education and literacy programs. Although dito we train livelihood and all, pero specifically we focus din sa mga women inmates sa loob ng correctional. No?
Ma'am, maganda siguro ma-focus natin yun kasi meron kayo livelihood training for women in need. And I heard na kayo ang very tutok dito kasi because of your background. Maaari niyo po ba kaming kwentuhan about this?
Oh yes, actually I'm very passionate about this because my personal advocacy as a life coach and a clinical hypnotherapist, no, it's been my advocacy to share my time and talent to troubleshoot and do therapy with the women inmates. Yung mga senior na in fact matagal na po namin tong binigay at nananawagan po kami ulit sa Malacanang. Now we already submitted a letter na kung pwedeng ilabas na po ang mga senior citizens na they deserve presidential pardon already. Na karamihan na po sa kanila namamatay na sa loob. Na siguro naman po sa mga natitirang taon nila na dito sa mundo na pwede naman nilang makasama ang mga pamilya nila. So we are giving them therapy and all para yung mga sa mga depressed, lalo na yung mga 6 months before makalabas kasi may mga medium security tayo dyan. Some are there because of drugs, no? Alam naman natin na may mga dahilan kung bakit nila ginagawa ang mga bagay na to. And we cannot really judge. And ako, doon ko nakita na we can never judge people, no? Kasi pag nalaman mo yung totoong concern kung bakit nila nagawa ang isang bagay, maintindihan mo rin. But that doesn't, of course, justify what they did. That is the reason why we have transformational programs. And that's one of that, no? We empower these women and we prepare them before they face the society again.
Actually, ma'am, nabanggit nyo rin kanina itong med missions pala sa children and mothers. No? Ano yung particular siguro na mga sakit or mga conditions na pinofocus ninyo dito nga sa inyong mga medical missions?
Well, kung sa club lang namin po, no, we had a surgical mission and overall general medicine. Pero Rotary International as a whole has an advocacy called No to Polio campaign.
All right.
Wherein the Rotary International president for the past years have committed to really make sure that aabot na tayo sa zero polio cases sa buong mundo. Kaya may mga campaign kami na, this close na tayo para mawala ang polio sa buong mundo.
Okay.
And ma'am, I heard that meron daw first Rotary CSR awarding in the Philippines na kumbaga binubuo po ng grupo nyo. Maaari nyo kaming kwentuhan about this?
Oh yes, I mentioned earlier na ito po ay first in the country wherein Rotary will be sponsoring it at ang aming club ang magsispearhead nito wherein we are looking for top Philippine companies with the best CSR practices para.
Ano ba yung criteria natin dito sa social responsibility efforts ng ating mga kumpanya, ma'am?
Actually, there will be several criterias that will be given. So probably, if it's okay, one of these, we can probably come back and talk about it at ma-promote po natin.
Actually, sa January 2014 pa naman ito.
Yes.
Abangan natin yan lahat. No?
Yes, but ma'am, lastly, baka meron po kayong message po na naisipabot sa ating mga manonood ngayong umaga.
Yes. Basically, tungkol sa Rotary, sinasabi ko lang po na kung kayo po ay gustong magbigay, ito, medyo solicitation na po to, na kung kayo ay may mga extrang gusto ninyong i-share sa ating bansa at naghahanap kayo ng NGO, we are a very legitimate NGO and we make sure that all the solicitations and fundraisings and things that we do, mga projects, ay talaga pong nakakarating sa mga dapat puntahan. And as an international club, and knowing the four-way test, alam niyo po naman, di ba, nakikita po natin ang four-way test everywhere, no? Number one is it the truth? So ito po, since nata-timing ngayong buwan at nakaraang linggo, ang ating PDAF scam at yung mga ibang issues na lumalabas sa bansa natin, ang tanong po talaga ay, is it the truth? So, we are for truth and justice. So, lahat po tayo ay magdasal para sa truth and justice, para sa kapayapaan ng ating bansa.
Okay, maraming salamat, ma'am. Ayan po si Miss Mache Torres, ang Charter President ng Rotary Club of Makati Business District.
Ito, JC.